Hi, we discuss about industrial engineering. Industrial engineering is one of the easiest topic to score in a gate because in most of the problem, all questions are problems only. No very less theory questions you will get. And all problems also, straightforward. There is no logical twists in this. Only you should know the concept behind that. So here in industrial engineering, there are three topics. One is production planning control, and another one is inventory control, another one is operation research. First, we'll start with production planning and control. So industrial engineering is 10 marks approximately in GATE. So production planning control consists of forecasting models. So here in production planning control, forecasting models and aggregate production planning, scheduling and material requirement planning. So production planning and control. So first we'll start with forecasting. Textbooks you need to prefer is Industrial Engineering by Operation Research or Quantitative Methods by N.D. Vora. So this is a book which covers all operation research topics. Another one is Operation Research by S.D. Sharma. There are so many other textbooks which you can go ahead. Forecasting is the main purpose is predicting. Predicting the estimate occurrence of an event or forecasting the magnitude of future event or timing of future event. Once a reliable forecast of the demand is available, good planning of activities is needed to meet the future demand. Further, this provides the input to the planning and scheduling process. So there are different types of forecast. One is long range forecast and another one is medium range, another one is short range based on the time period. So long range forecast. The long range forecast consists of time period of more than 5 years. So forecasting long range forecast of is useful for the following areas. So forecasting for next 5 years is the long range forecast, 5 year period. So here example is forecast long range forecast is forecasting for a time period of more than 5 years. So there are different types of forecast in long range. One is capital planning, how much capital you need to have for your company, for your business, how much capital you need to calculate for next 5 years. Next one is plant location, any new plant if you want to start in next 5 years, where you want to locate. And the plant expansion, so next 5 years how much you need to expand. New product planning, if you want to launch a new product into the market, how, when and how how much use, how many quantity, all these things you need to forecast. Next type of forecast is medium range forecast. So here the forecasting for a time period ranges 1 to 5 years. So medium range forecasting is useful in different areas, like following areas like sales planning. Next year how much sales you are expecting. So production planning, next year how much you need to produce units. Next 2 years, 3 years. Inventory planning, how much inventory you need to keep to meet the demand. Next is short range forecasting.